Well, more than a dozen immigration judges have been fired in the last few weeks, including some right here in Massachusetts who are at the end of their probationary periods. Our immigration reporter, Oscar Margain, spoke to one of those judges who was appointed to the immigration court in Chelmsford, and he has a dire warning. This is a story that's all new tonight at 11.
I was told to rule in a certain way, which violates my judicial neutrality.
George Pappas is now a former immigration judge as of Tuesday. He was about to complete his 2-year probation at the immigration court in Chelmsford. Pappas and 16 others were informed through a letter a few weeks ago without an explanation.
The reason's partisanship, political ideology.
He's convinced the Trump administration is purging the system and looking to insert its own appointed judges.
The Attorney General and the administration are looking to target immigration courts. They want to create a body of, yes, political hacks to become what we call judges.
There were about 700 immigration judges in the country at the start of the year. More than a sixth have since resigned or let go. The immigration court in Chelmsford is down to 7 from 18 6 months ago, amid millions of cases backlogged.
More than 3.5 million backlog cases. Yep. You've got $3 billion in this big, beautiful bill that would also hire 100 new judges. What does that tell you?
It's just irrational.
Kerry Doyle was one of the first immigration judges this year to get fired after just 2 months on the job.
And they really just want to bring immigration courts to its knees.
All of a sudden become political pawns.
Isla Dice served for 8 years in California. She suspects she was targeted for her high asylum rate and for not following orders on how to rule from the bench.
We've very recently been directed how to rule on motions.
Papa says he witnessed the same thing.
Yes, I was pressured, and I know that my superior also had pressure above.
The Executive Office for Immigration Review declined to comment.
Our Constitution requires that individuals get a fair hearing. It's called due process. This government has turned the Department of Justice into the Department of Injustice.
Now, the onboarding process for a brand new judge to join the court system could take up to 2 years to complete. Former Judge Pappas tells me that in addition to him, there was one other immigration judge here in Chelmsford who was fired in the last 2 weeks. Reporting in Chelmsford, Oscar Margain, NBC 10 Boston.